Hey, what's going on, all you guitar pickers? Back again. This time we're going to do a song by Justin Moore, Kind of Don't Care. So, this is a pretty good song. I really liked hearing this. Kind of got that country twang to it. The main things we're going to go over today is this intro kind of thing. We're going to go over that little intro picking part. And later on, if you guys really like this video and want to hear the electric part, I will teach that as well. Only if you like and subscribe. But anyways, first things first, the guitar is actually tuned down to E flat. So every single string is a half step lower. And we're only going to be playing 4 chords here, or 3 actually. Just D, G. I always play G like this for the most part, especially when it fits, and an A. Okay, so let's get into this little intro part. It's going to be starting with a D, and we're going to play it like, I think it's D suspended or something, without the ring finger down here on the E. So it's just these 2 fingers, your ring finger and your index finger. And you're basically just going to pluck it with either these 2 fingers or your pick. I prefer to use my ring finger and middle finger down here. So you're going to pick D, pull off with your index finger. Then you're going to take the picking hand and you're going to use the flat pick and go up D flat, and then you're going to hit A flat. So, and when you hit A, you're going to want to take your index finger and hammer on. And then you're going to take the same 2 fingers and hit that D in the same chord shape, but with just your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the B string. Take your flat pick, hit that D flat again, and then you're ready to go into. So all together we got that. And one more time slowly. Alright, so now I'm going to play you the intro, which is D, G, A, and back to D. And this is basically the base of the whole song right here. The only thing that changes a little bit is the chorus. So we're going to just get this together real quick, and then we're going to jump straight into the verse. So here we go. Play that D again when you go into the verse. Alright guys, I hate to add this in right before we do the verse, but before I forget, we're going to have our intro, which is the part I just taught you. We're going to go into the verse, which is what I'm about to teach you. Then we're going to have a chorus. It's going to go into the second verse, which is going to be the same exact chord structure as the first verse. Then you're going to go back into the chorus, which is going to be the same chorus as the first chorus. And you're going to hit a solo kind of thing, so I'll show you the chords to that. And then there's going to be a 3rd chorus, and it's going to have a couple added lines at the bottom of it before it hits that really cool outro solo. So, alright, so back to the verse. It's D, G, A, and D, the same exact way as if I were to play the intro. So if I were to sing it and strum it, this is how it would sound like. And we're gonna start off the intro. So I've been watching my weight. I've been trying to do right. I've been trying to get a little more sleep at night. I've been working like a dog. I've been going to church. Yeah, and I've been being so damn good it hurts. Alright guys, so that's basically just the verse, and I'm not going to show you the second one just for time purpose. I know you guys just want to get on your guitar and play the song. So use what I just gave you there, match it up, it's the same kind of rhythm and everything, strumming pattern for the second verse. So I know you guys are going to be able to do it. And if you guys are really struggling with it and everything, email us or comment and let us know if there's anything else we could do to help you. Alright guys, so we made it to the chorus. Dive right in real quick. Basically, it ended on the D on the last part of the song. So it ended on "It Hurts" with D. So, and then he kind of writes the D in. And instead of doing that kind of like percussion-y slap, or not slap, but muting kind of chord progression thing, it's gonna go into like a more open thing. It's gonna be D, and then you got G right now, A, D. Okay, so I'm gonna play it for you guys here, and it changes a little bit from the verse, so just make sure you pay attention up there. I kinda wanna light up a couple smokes, kinda want some brown mixed in my coat, kinda wanna hole up in some corner booth somewhere, kinda wanna find a pretty little thing that's kinda like me, don't want no strength, knowing in the morning that I ain't going nowhere, but tonight I kinda don't care. So again, we're gonna end on D there, so there's kind of a pattern going here, and I'm betting you guys are picking up on it. So I'm sure you could imagine what's gonna happen in the second verse and the second chorus. So with that being said, we're gonna jump straight to that instrumental after the second chorus. I'll show you the chords for that real quick, and then we're gonna jump into the third chorus. I'll describe it, and then I'll show you the last couple lines. Alright guys, so just like the chorus, the instrumental is going to be openly strummed. So we got D, G, A, back to D, D again, G, then the chorus is going to start on D again, just like the other two. So the difference between this third chorus is at the very end, where it's I ain't going nowhere, but tonight I kinda don't care. So after he sings that, he goes and says, he's playing D again, I kinda don't care. Hey, if you don't care, then I don't care. Then you can play D, G, A, D. Oh, hell, I don't care. And that's going to be on D. And then it's going to be another instrumental with a crazy solo over the top. So, alright guys, so again, that's Kind of Don't Care by Justin Moore. So please like and subscribe and comment.